Today I'm going to show you how to add your device on your mobile app. So firstly go to ENER-J app and the app opens up. First I'm going to delete this device so that we can start fresh. And you can see it says add device, so we're going to add device. It wants to scan the barcode. I think it's the light. Yep, it adds up, and then we straight away go and press the bell button here.
Device into Wi-Fi configuration mode.
Yes, which means press next.
Wi-Fi name and password.
Now I need to enter the password. It's already entered for me here. Press next. Normally it takes about 3 to 4 seconds for it to pair. It will go to iBell, which is the internal Wi-Fi for the doorbell, and then it will quickly switch to your home Wi-Fi, which is in this case my VM, and the done button should become green in a couple of seconds here. Yes, that's it. Now the device is added, as you can see here. You come out of the app, somebody presses the bell here. And you can see the phone call coming in. You can answer the call. And that's it. You're already paired.